Hi, I am Manish. I got an urgent request for this situation of last circle wherein two corners are swapped and they are opposite of each other and entire cube is solved. So how to solve it? So first what we need to do is we need one more half circle to solve this. So what we'll do is we'll use this circle to, or probably okay. So what we'll do is we'll use this same color circle to solve this. So first we'll replace it with yellow and then we'll bring this down like this. So it is here now. Now we'll bring it up next to this orange. So replace it with this. Okay, so now we have two orange half circles. So what we'll do is we'll put this cube in this position wherein one half orange circle is here and one half unsolved circle is here. Now what we have to do is we have to place it like this. This is our below half and this is upper half, and similarly we'll use this orange as upper half and this is lower half, and this will be our situation. So what we'll have to do is first we'll use this piece to replace it with this piece. So that will make two pieces paired like this. So these two will be paired. So what we have to do is we have to do a new sliding technique that will, this piece will come here, this orange piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So up, take this right, then this side up, take this left, now left side down, and now right and right side down. So now you can see one piece is solved here. In fact we had solved half circle which is now unsolved, but that we can solve. Okay, so now we have two pieces which are solved and one piece which is unsolved. So now what we have to do is we have to use this piece and we'll have to replace it with this. So what this will do is this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So this will come here, this piece, orange piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So again up, take it left, then up, take it right, then down, take it left, and down. So now you can see this is solved, this is solved. I'll show you another case. Okay, this is another situation wherein one piece, center piece is missing here. There are three corner piece only, and here there are two center piece and one corner piece. So how to fix them? So first we need to place this center piece of this circle like this, and this piece, what now we will have to do is, this piece we will have to replace it with this, and this piece will come here. So we'll use again 3 cycle algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is up, take it right, then up, take it left, then down, take it right, and down. So this is solved and this is solved. I'll show you one more case. Okay, this is case number 3, wherein both the corners are together and center is at left side. So how to fix this? So we'll have to use again this orange half circle. So what we have to do is, we will use again 3 cycle algorithm. So we'll hold it like this. So this is on top and this is in front. And now what we will do is, we will use again 3 cycles. So this piece will come here in place of this, and this will not disturb, this circle will not disturb, and this piece will come here and this piece will come here. So it is like this, and this is up. So this is in place, take it right, again this up, right up, then take this left, now left down, take this right and right down. So this is solved, this is solved. I'll show you one more case. Okay, so this is one more case wherein these 3 pieces which are, 2 corners are together and one center is either on left side or right side, and the entire cube is solved. So how to fix this? So what we'll do is, we'll use this orange piece, and we'll place it like this. So the center piece of this circle is on the left side of equator, and this is also a center. So we'll again do the 3 cycle algorithm. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is up, right, up, left, down, right, down. So which brings us to the first case. So this is the first case wherein 2 corners are swept. So now what we have to do is, we have to place it like this, and from here what we'll do is, we'll have to use this corner piece over here. This corner piece will come here, this will come here. So it is up, right, up, left, down, right, down. So we have this 2 pieces which are solved, and we have one piece which is here also we have 2 pieces which are solved and one is unsolved. So now we'll use this corner piece and we'll replace it with this. So this will come here, and this will come here, and this will come here. So it will be solved. So it is up, left, up, right, down, left, down, and now we can see this is solved and this is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.